guys. Good morning. Shout out. Hello, hello, good morning. Shout out sa inyo lahat dyan sa mga followers. Good morning, shout out. Work again. And alalakad again. Going to work. And po. Malakas ang hangin guys. Pasok muna tayo ngayon. Pang 5 araw na ng pag-work ko ngayon today. Oh, grabe pagod. Pero walang magagawa. Gambarimasyo. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.